Hello there. So in this following video, we will look around music genres and what are their tempo range typically falls in. So what is music genre? So basically music is grouped into different genres to describe the music's form, their style and cultural influence. So let's check the most popular music genre with their reference track and their tempo range.
Thrill is gone. The thrill is gone away. 13-month-old baby broke the look and no one. Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round.
Whether you're a brother away, you're a mother, you're staying alive. Feel the city breaking the neck.
It's been a long time.
Cause when I was low, you was there for me. You never left me alone because you cared for me. And I can see
Y'all know me, still the same OG, but I've been low-key, hated on by most these niggas with no cheese, no dick.
I grew up on the crime side, the New York Times side. Staying alive was no job, had second hand.
I've created a monster, cause nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want shady, this is
stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop.
Tell me why ain't nothing but a party. Tell me why I wanna love you and treat you right.
Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Take it.
Promises, I can't do golden rings, but I'll give you everything.
Must say there are many subgenres in these styles of music which you just saw. So there are the main genres and they are even further divided into subgenres, especially rock, pop and electronic dance music, which we call EDM. So let's see the subgenres in EDM and typically what tempo range they have.
I'm losing it.
Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to make it. Let's go on a mission, girl. Where do you wanna go?
So surprisingly, there are even more subgenres in house music. So the most common subgenres of house music are
You never said a word, you didn't send me no letter. Don't think I could forget.
Of course, there are more subgenres in house music. So, few most liked Indian music are that you must have got some clarity about different type of music genres and their tempo. I'll see you in the next video.